Hi, this is Blake Levine. Today I want to share about depression and trying to make the best of it. So, for anyone that lives with depression, there can be days where you don't have the energy to really do anything. You may get into a thought pattern that's very dark and negative. And during those times, it's helpful to remember it will not always be as severe. Many with depression have long periods of struggle and really working to try to feel happier and healthier, but they seem to get hit with one thing after another. An example is having all types of pressures and worries and fears, and some of them actually materializing. And I think that for anyone that lives with depression, you have to find a way to hold on to hope, and you need to remember that it's a long journey. The reasons it's worth trying to get healthier is that people need you in this world. Even if you don't have a lot of friends, there are people that need what you have to offer. They need your energy, they need your light, they need your love, your hope, your ambition, your dreams, your goals. They need to be part of the reason you were born and the reason you're here in life at this time. I want to thank you for watching my brief video. This is an awesome book. Sadly, my brother Adam died of a heroin overdose, and the picture on the cover of this book is the last time I saw him when I was in California. And the book shares tips and lessons and stories about mental illness and addiction. You can find the link below. I also do a life coaching program by phone. You can learn about it on my website, bipolaronline.com. That's bipolaronline.com or blakelevinecoaching.com. Thanks.